Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your name on Uber Eats. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your name on Uber Eats app. We'll start opening up your Uber Eats app. Once you open up your Uber Eats app, look on the bottom where you're gonna see your account. It's like to the right, on the bottom right. We're gonna see your account right there. So make sure you tap on account. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look all the up where you're gonna see your name, and make sure you tap on where it says View Account on the upper. Make sure you tap where it says View Account. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, underneath your name, make sure you tap where it says Edit Account. So make sure you tap there, Edit Account. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So make sure you switch your name. This should. So as it's right there, make sure you once you switch your name, make sure you tap where it says Update First Name. So make sure you tap it there. Then you're gonna update right there. Then make sure you tap on your last name again. Always make sure you tap on Update Last Name. Tap there. Then that's how you change your name on Uber Eats app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.